In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Google form and share a shortened link anywhere. Let's start by getting your form live so people can reach it. Look to the upper right corner of your screen for the purple Publish button. Go ahead and click it. This opens a Publish window that's specifically designed to help you share your form. Think of it as your hub for everything related to the link you'll send out. Inside that Publish window, you'll see a place where the form's link is displayed. Click Copy Link there. This grabs the full standard URL and places it on your clipboard. The regular link can be long and not very friendly to read, especially if you're planning to include it in messages or posts where space and clarity matter. To make the link cleaner and easier to share, click Shorten URL in the link section. This creates a compact version of your form's address. Shortened links are helpful for newsletters, social posts, and chats because they look tidy and are simple for people to recognize and tap or click. Now, click Copy in that same link section to copy the shortened URL. This puts the new, concise link on your clipboard, ready to paste wherever you want to reach your audience. If you ever need the original version, you can always return to the Publish window, but in most cases, the shortened link is the most convenient choice. With the shortened link copied, paste it into email, chat, social media, and messages. Drop it into the body of an email, include it in a group chat, add it to a social media post, or send it as a direct message. You can paste with your usual keyboard shortcut or right-click and choose Paste. A clear, short link helps recipients feel confident about where they're going, and it fits neatly into any communication. Once your link is out in the world, people can open the shortened Google form link and submit responses. They'll tap or click the link, the form will load in their browser, and they can fill it out and send their answers. Because the address is shortened, it's easy for them to access on mobile devices as well as on a computer. That's all there is to it. Click Publish, copy your link, shorten it, copy the short version, and paste it anywhere you communicate. With these simple steps, your form is live, your link is clean, and your audience is ready to respond.